Investors should consider non-US stocks, including Chinese equities, given such factors as a rebalancing effect in global equity markets, low valuation in Chinese stocks, and resilience in the Chinese economy, according to a senior US strategist.
One of the potential catalysts for Chinese equities is simply a weaker dollar. That, for many foreign investors, if the dollar does weaken, that will hurt their returns. And so they might come back to home markets. There's opportunities to buy low. And that's a key tenet to success is buy low. When there's apprehension, when there's caution, that's where, investors can take advantage of that. And we do think Chinese equities offer a very strong opportunity. We see many Chinese companies buying back stock. We recommend that investors take advantage of this downturn in Chinese equities to buy stock, that it's a good entry point.
The US-based Crane Funds Advisors LLC is a specialist investment management firm focusing on China, climate, and other uncorrelated assets. Ahan visited China earlier this month and met with investors in some of the companies invested by Crane Funds Advisors.
Seeing is believing, and I would recommend other investors, other tourists to go and do the same and see for themselves and see how resilient China's economy is. We think there's reasons for investors to be excited about 2024 for the Chinese economy. Certainly, we believe that Asia is, including China, is in an area of an improvement going forward, and we're optimistic the year of the dragon, China's economy will roar.